Even the death of Igbo's brother, 2014, Nigeria expired. But the only thing that can save us out is the judgment of the Yoruba that is in the court, in Hague and everywhere. If by tomorrow they give the judgment that Yoruba can go officially, but for the one of Nigeria, we can't get better.
Ẹ wò ẹ má jẹ́ àfẹ́kọ́ tanná fúnra wa mọ́ Nàìjíríà ò kanlẹ̀ lè dá a mọ́ níbi tọ́rọ̀ dé dúró yìí. Gbajúgbajà wòlíì kan wòlíì ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn mọ̀ lórí social media wọ́n mà ti sọ̀rọ̀ jáde látàrí ipò tí Nàìjíríà tún dé dúró lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ìyẹn lèmi ṣe ń pe gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Yorùbá nation pé kẹ́ ẹ tún wá tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ ká tún wá fetí gbéyàwó ọ̀rọ̀. Torí pé wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ̀ kan bá lé wọ́n ní bó bá pẹ́ títí náà yóò tún kan jẹ́jẹ́ mi mo jókòó mi. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá gbàgbé wòlíì yìí ti sọ̀rọ̀ ṣáájú nígbà tí wọ́n bu ẹnu lù pé Tinubu ọmọ wa ni ẹjí ó ṣe Tinubu ọmọ wa ni ẹjí ó ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n gbòòdà àyè kan ní January ọdún yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá ń fọ́lò bàbá yìí dáadáa lórí social media lórí YouTube channel wọn. Ẹ gbọ́ tí bàbá yìí ní tí Tinubu bá kọ̀ láti ṣe ohun tó tọ́ àwọn ò ṣépè fún Tinubu. Ọ̀rọ̀ ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá gbogbo olólùfẹ́ Yorùbá nation ohun tí bàbá yìí wá ń pè fún báyìí ni pé ẹ pín Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bá a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Bàbá ti pe Tinubu pé ẹ wò ẹ pín orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà káwúsá ó máa lọ kí Yíbò ó máa lọ kí Yorùbá náà máa bá tiẹ̀ lọ. Ìyẹn lèmi ṣe ń pe gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé a kú oríire màkàmàkà lóye nǹkan wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ báyìí náà ní kánjẹlé yóò padà kàn wá. Yorùbá nation tí gbogbo wa ń pè fún tá à ń pè fún yóò padà ṣẹ. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ látẹnu bàbá yẹn má jẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ jù rárá torí pé bàbá yìí ti sọ ẹ pín Nàìjíríà bá a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ má jẹ́ àdágbára wa lásìkò mọ́ torí pé orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà gan ó ti expire láti 2014 torí pé ọdún 1914 ni wọ́n jọ kọ́ bọ̀wé pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá jọ bára yín gbé pọ̀ fún 100 ọdún bí ìbágbépọ̀ yín ò bá ti wọ̀ mọ́ kí kálukú túká kẹ́lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀ dání. Ó ṣe wá di pé dandan èmi ò ní jẹ́ ó lọ ò ní lọ kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ wá gbọ́rọ̀ látẹnu bàbá yìí kí n má sọ̀rọ̀ jù lónìí. Ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá yìí sọ bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé èdè òyìnbó ló fi sọ náà ló jẹ́ tó máa yànnà náà lédè Yorùbá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa pátápátá pé ẹ pín orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà níṣẹ́. Látìgbà tí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed ti dórí àléfà látinú oṣù karùn-ún ọdún tó kọjá ni gbogbo nǹkan ti ń gbówó lórí tó wá di pé ara eku ò fẹ́ ké bí eku mọ́ ẹyẹ gan ò fẹ́ ké bí ẹyẹ. Ṣùgbọ́n kí lọ́nà àbáyọ? Ọ̀nà àbáyọ náà ni pé kí gbogbo wa pín orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ká sì kọrin orílẹ̀-èdè wa pé iṣẹ́ wà fún ilẹ̀ wa. Ẹ dákun ẹ já gbọ́rọ̀ bàbá yìí ná orí ìkànnì Ìràwọ̀ TV ilẹ̀ wa tẹ̀ ti ń gbọ́ wa.
Do you know the amount of people that got missing in APC regime in Benue, in Plateau, in Nigeria, in the whole Nigeria, even the death of Igbo's brother, and many people that have raped, and many ritualists, they are now on top. So automatically, if you gave a drum to Kayode in Ibadan, and if Kayode was telling you that the skin, the leather we wanted to use to cover the drum is not enough to cover the face, and in annoyance, you collected the drum again and take it to somebody in Ondo State. If it's still the frame of the drum, it will be done. Even the man there too will say the same thing. Now, there is no how it is going to end up the same thing. But the only thing that can save us out is the judgment of the Yoruba that is in the court, in Hague and everywhere. If by tomorrow they give the judgment that Yoruba can go officially, but for the one of Nigeria, we can't get better. Why we cannot get better is Igbo believe in Igbo. What's the meaning of Igbo? I before others. I before what? If it is, you want to spell it IGBO, that means I am genuine before others. It's still the same thing. So Igbo did not trust Hausa again. Yoruba did not trust Igbo again. Then why do you say we should live together? So they may not end well. So if care is not taken, the labor of Tinubu may even go in vain with what I've seen for the past 14 months.
The labor of our hero
May go in vain because there's nothing to offer. Because the British is still monitoring us. If we can go back to America to be buying refined crude oil, so automatically we are going down the rail. Where is the Jakarta strength? Where is all the factory coming from? We know the amount of money they have been using to go to summit. Now, the worst will happen now. The worst is about to happen because Saudi Arabia is coming to take over some northern countries, northern states, and build vast land of empires and everything and company. That will be then we'll say bye-bye to Christian race. So that's what the Lord revealed to me in the month of February in America. That the Arab is coming to Nigeria, put a company in Ore, put a company in Kebbi, Kano, everywhere. All belongs to what? Muslim. But if they now ask you, if you are not Muslim, you cannot work there. They have their bank. They have the Arabic bank. They have everything. Where they give them money without taking interest. But it's for government money. It's for government money. And look at all the traces of the church. It's only the church that they are just thriving. We can mark it down. The Arab nation is coming to take over. And if you think America is coming to help us, it's a lie. If you think Israel is coming to help us, Israel said they should not mention the name of Jesus in Israel now. Are they the one coming here? When Israel is fighting Hamas now, because of the mineral resources, where the Hamas is, those are what they are getting in Niger and everywhere. But now that they are pushing them away from there, they want to hold on to the other one. You know what I'm saying? So I think we get it well. Our leaders are puppets to the white people. So we don't know where we are going. I don't see any joy, any light after the tunnel in the democracy of APC and PDP. It's the same thing.
Ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o látẹnu wòlíì Mákọ́ọ̀sì nípa ohun tí bàbá yìí tún sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà bí ọ̀rọ̀ dé dúró lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ẹ dákun nínú comment section ẹ máa kọ Yorùbá now. Ṣé ẹ rí ìdí tẹ́ fi máa kọ ní pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí náà yóò máa gòkè tí ó sì darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn mẹ́sẹ̀gì tó popular jùlọ ìyẹn tó gbayì jùlọ lágbàáyé Yorùbá Nation Now Yorùbá Nation Now ẹ máa tẹ̀ sínú comment section ẹ sì ṣe é bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń tẹ́tí sí wa. Ẹ dákun ẹ máa bá wa subscribe kẹ́ sì máa share ètò yìí Yorùbá Nation tí gbogbo wa ń pè fún yóò tẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ láṣẹ Aláwòrábí. A tún máa pàdé nígbà míì lórí ìkànnì Yorùbá. Ẹ ṣé tẹ̀ ń tẹ́tí sí wa o.